Welcome everyone to Trimley Zorus's Gaming Center. Bear in mind I am not a professional gamer. I don't do this for a living. This is my first actual recording, other than my test recording I did. To tell you about the game and myself, I started playing, I want to say about 3 or 4 seasons ago. I've always normally done ranged, so I would always do the tornado shot. Then I started doing the earthquake build, and then I started doing the uberlab runner build. And then they kind of nerfed the earthquake and did some other things, so I wasn't sure what I was going to do. This is my 5th time creating this character for this season. So what I've done is gone with uberlab runner and earthquake and combined the 2 into 1, along with using the ability sunder. I'm not sure, I've never looked at the sunder build, but it looks pretty good. For what I got so far, I haven't had any issues so far, so I figured I'd run you guys through a map so you guys can see how it goes. Let's find a map. And we'll go with that one. Alright. And keep in mind, as I said, I'm not a professional gamer. I just go through and play. I do make mistakes. As I said, 5th character. The highest tier map I have done so far is a tier 7. Nothing any higher yet. I'm still working on my gear for the most part. I'm kind of slow. I started the season late as well, so that didn't help too much. The one good thing about the build that I have is it's very rare for me to hit my potions to heal myself. I'm trying to build it without relying on flasks and potions. Because to me, what's the challenge in that? My character is hardcore as well. So literally, if I do die, it's gone. I have to start all over from scratch. Originally, I was setting this guy up for
a moment of your time.
Setting this guy up for a 2-handed weapon attacking with Sunder. But my friend Flying Cow decided to talk me into going with Sunder and Shield and Axe. And then my secondary weapons are 2 one-handed Axe. With the leap, so that way I can literally leap like crazy. I am crazy to the point my friend Flying Cow tells me not to do certain bosses, and I go in and do them anyways, which is always fun. I like the challenge. I'm suicidal, what can I say? I do play on hardcore. I also play this on my PC. I do have it on my Xbox One, which I may start rebuilding a character on over there. And I do pick up junk, because I'm still learning. I don't know what's good, what's not. Usually my friend Flying Cow tells me what I should pick up and what I shouldn't. So whenever you see us playing together, you'll hear him telling me how things are going. Ooh. And this is where I will use my totem. Okay, that was the boss. Didn't realize it was the boss. And I'll still keep exploring because I like killing stuff. And the more drops, the better. I have yet to start running any uberlabs, only because I'm missing 2 trials and I'm still trying to find them. Hopefully in the next couple days I'll have all of them and I can start running uberlab. That's the only ascendancy points I'm missing is uberlab. And we're back at the beginning, so now to backtrack. And some people can be really impatient. Wow, 23 monsters left. Where are they hiding? That's the dead end. Dead end. I know where they're hiding. Alright. Now I get to walk. I'll use a flask.
Kill the malcontent, and you might as well slaughter his rest.
Oh, this ain't gonna be pretty. Keep one target alive. Or guard. Alright. And I have a feeling I might just fail this one. Of course, across the bridge. He's an archer. Oh, wow, I didn't fail it.
Can, need not. And the next time you're in the sun.
Alright, so that is this build. I will post more videos, and if you like it, hit like and subscribe. Thanks.